The last meaningful leap from Insta360 came with the Ace Pro 2, which already pushed into territory that once felt unrealistic for an action camera. 8K recording, Leica color science influence, and strong AI-assisted stabilization in a compact body. It already blurred the line between action cam and miniature cinema tool, which is exactly why the next step is harder. That's where the early signals around the Ace Pro 3 start to matter. Leaks around the Ace Pro 3 suggest a move toward a 1-inch, 50-megapixel CMOS sensor with Leica tuning. If that direction holds, it's not just about resolution, it's about expanding dynamic range headroom in real-world chaos. Low-light rides, underwater transitions, and exposure shifts often challenge smaller sensors. While a larger sensor doesn't solve all problems, it reduces the need for post-processing damage control. Then comes the controversial part. 8K at 30 frames per second still appears in the rumor cycle, alongside 4K at 120 frames per second in 10-bit. On paper, it sounds like a clean upgrade path. In reality, it raises a familiar workflow question creators rarely say out loud: how much of this is usable versus how much becomes storage overhead? Most social-first creators already downsample aggressively, meaning resolution gains often serve flexibility, not final output. Where things get more interesting is stabilization and intelligence. The rumored FlowState 2.0 system, paired with AI-assisted horizon lock, points toward less correction in post and more correction at capture. That subtle shift matters. It reduces editing dependency, especially for solo creators who want to avoid hours of fixing tilt, motion drift, or framing errors after shooting. Battery expectations also appear to be part of the narrative shift. Claims of up to 200 minutes in 4K shooting scenarios suggest a focus on endurance rather than peak performance bursts. It suggests a camera focused on continuous capture for travel, long POV rides, and extended vlogging, along with faster charging. Even audio is reportedly getting attention, with upgraded directional microphones and AI wind reduction. It's a small detail, but in practice, it's often the difference between usable footage and unusable frustration in outdoor environments. Price rumors place the Ace Pro 3 between $549 and $599, positioning it above the Ace Pro 2. That's where the real tension sits, not in specs, but in value perception. Competitors like DJI continue refining stabilization reliability, while GoPro leans into ecosystem familiarity. Meanwhile, smartphones keep eating the casual market with computational video. Thanks for watching. What happens next depends on market responses rather than leaks. If expectations align with reality, the next generation of compact creator tools could change significantly. The key question is whether the Ace Pro 3 will redefine workflows or just improve existing ones. Share your thoughts in the comments.